Another letter from the Happy Home Academy. You know, I never asked for y'all to come inside my house when I'm not there, see what's going on, and send me a letter of what you think about it. Like, okay, what kind of academy just breaks inside your fucking house without your knowledge or permission? Which reminds me, I need to tell Puddles what Marshall said yesterday, and what's this? Wait a minute, that's Zell's bag. Hey Puddles, this is kind of weird, but I found this outside your house.
This isn't mine, you fucking idiot. This is Zell's.
Yeah, I know, but he's been dead for 2 weeks, so what is it doing outside your house? Maybe Fang dropped it when he was snooping around last night. He's been on my ass non-stop the past few weeks. But I don't know, is he really that sloppy of a detective?
Well, let's open it and see what's inside.
Oh, is that a diary? Let me see. Wait, is that... It's Zell's will?
Yep, full will and testament right here. Whoa, that's a lot of bank accounts.
Accounts that he had on other islands? I don't know what this means, but I'm gonna take this to Officer Mac. Hey, sorry to drop by like this. What are you doing here? Mac? A design guru? Are we talking about the same person here? Ah, yes, Mac the design guru with his camo hammock, inflatable kiddie pool, doghouse that's too small for him, tree stump, a cat bed for some reason, and of course, the proliferation of invasive vines. Mwah. Why don't you tell me what you're really doing here? And why are you looking at him like that? Oh no, Mac, not you too. Hang on a second, I just need a second to think by myself. Zell steals my heart, Judy steals Zell, Zell winds up dead, Mac suspects me, Judy seduces Mac. Where is this all going? Please tell me there's a plot! God fuck!